Good morning, children. How are you? Children, welcome back to our second lesson. How does a computer works? In the previous class, you have learned about output devices. Now, in today's class, we are going to learn about storage device and operating system. This is last topic in this lesson. Next one, storage device. What is the meaning of storage? The method of storing something for future use. Storage device is used to store data and instruction entered into a computer system through input units before being passed on to a output units. Children, you have already learned about input units and output units. What are the input units? Keyboard, mouse, scanner. What are the output units? Monitor, printer, speakers. Through input units only we can send the information to the computer. After processing, the information will send to the output units. Children, these are the storage devices: hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, data reader or card reader. Children, do you know what is this? This is hard disk that is fixed inside the CPU. A hard disk drive HDD is a computer's main data storage device used for storing and recalling data. Here storing means what? Suppose for example if you created any document in our computer, see you have to store in the hard disk. Recalling means what? Whenever you want you can get back the from the hard disk. It is located inside the system unit. Children, these two are CD and DVD. This is DVD, this is CD. CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is a small portable shiny disc used for electronically recording, storing and playing back audios, videos, text and other information in digital form. The capacity of CD is around 700 MB. MB means megabytes. A CD drive is required to read data from a CD and CD writer to write data to it. Next one, DVD. DVD stands for digital video disc or digital versatile disc. DVDs are designed to store digital representation of movies and other multimedia presentations that combine sound with graphics. A DVD holds a minimum 4.7 GB of data. A GB means for gigabytes. Children, pen drive, card readers. Data reader, card reader. Pen drive is a compact disk that like a small pen. It can store a lot of data and enables easy transport of data from one computer to another. It is plugged and play device that simply plugs into the USB port of computer for easy access of data. What is the full form of USB? Universal Serial Bus. Once again, USB means Universal Serial Bus. Next, card reader. Small devices that are used to store electronic data. This is be anything from photos, music, movies, games, documents and programs. Children, next one, operating system. See, before going to this topic, I will remind you about hardware and software. A computer consists of mainly two types, hardware and software. Hardware means what? Physical components of a computer are called Hardware. It refers to the part of a computer which we can touch and see. That means, can you touch the CPU? Yes, we can touch. Can you see the CPU? Yes, we can touch. Hardware devices we can touch and we can see. But software, we cannot touch, we cannot see. What is software? Software refers to the set of programs that tell the computer how to perform a particular job. See, there are two types of softwares are there, system software and application software. See, system software. It is a software that controls overall functioning of the computer. Without system software, computer cannot function. Children, example of system software is operating system. In our computer room, operating system is Windows 8. See, an operating system is a system software that manages the computer hardware and software resources and provide common service for computer program. Children, see, watch this video. Here I will show how to create new folder, how to renaming, how to delete the folder. Once you observe this one, first open the computer. Now first one I am showing to you creating a new folder. Creating a new folder. First keep heading. See, take mouse pointer. See, mouse having two buttons are there. One is left button, another one is right button. Right click on the left button. Sorry, right button. First to find out where is the new, and when you keep mouse pointer on that, automatically submenu will open. In that, select the folder. Now folder created now. Now I will show step-wise procedure. First right click, select new. Next step is select new. When you keep mouse pointer on that, you will get the submenu. In that you select the folder. Select folder. As soon as folder selected, you will get the new folder. This is the procedure to creating a new folder. Next one is how to rename the folder. First keep heading. I am keeping the heading. Renaming a folder. Take mouse pointer. Select the folder. Which one you want to rename. Find out where is the rename option and click it. And write the name. Let me change the name. Now I will show step-wise procedure. Right click on the folder. Select the folder. Right click. Select the rename option from the shortcut menu. Select the rename to change the name of the file. Rename means to change the name of the file. Children, this is the procedure to renaming a folder. Next, how to delete unwanted files. Deleting a folder. See, select the folder. Which one you want to delete? Click right button. Select the delete and click on the Y, ESS or enter key. Select the folder, step-wise procedure. First one, select the folder. Which one you want to delete and right click. Select the delete option from the shortcut menu. Select the delete option from the shortcut menu. Click yes to delete the folder from the delete folder message box. From the delete folder message box. Delete folder message box. Children, this is the procedure for deleting a folder. Children, today's assignment is write the full form for the following: CD, DVD, HDD, USB. Thank you, children. Once again, I will meet in next class.